Hi everybody, and welcome back to TMD Toy Review. Today I have a book for you, and the book is called Are You My Mother by P.D. Eastman. This is the book. Okay? Let's open it up. There you go. It's a beginner's book. A mother bird sat on her eggs. See? That's the mother bird sitting on her egg. The egg jumped. "Oh, oh," said the mother bird. "My baby will be here. He will want to eat." See? That's the mother bird there. "I must get something for my baby bird to eat," she said. "I will be back." So away she went. See? That's her flying away from the nest. And that's her nest with her egg in it. The egg jumped. It jumped and jumped and jumped. And out came the baby bird. See? That's the baby bird. He just burst out of his egg. "Where is my mother?" he said. He looked for her. See there? He's looking for her. See the pictures? He looked up and he did not see her. He looked down and he did not see her. See the pictures of him looking up and down? "I will go and look for her," he said. So away he went. See him stepping out of the nest? He's going to look for his mother. Down out of the tree he went. Down, down, down. It was a long way down. It was a really long way down. The baby bird could not fly. He could not fly, but he could walk. "Now I will go and find my mother," he said. See there? He's going to find his mother. He did not know what his mother looked like. He went right by her. He did not see her. See? He's there. His mother's there behind the rock. And he doesn't see her. He walks right past her. He came to a kitten. "Are you my mother?" he said to the kitten. The kitten just looked and looked. It did not say a thing. See? That's him asking the kitten if the kitten is his mother. The kitten was not his mother, so he went on. Then he came to a hen. "Are you my mother?" he said to the hen. "No," said the hen. The kitten was not his mother. The hen was not his mother. So the baby bird went on. "I have to find my mother," he said. "But where? Where is she? Where could she be?" Then he came to a dog. "Are you my mother?" he said to the dog. "I am not your mother. I am a dog," said the dog. The kitten was not his mother. The hen was not his mother. The dog was not his mother. So the baby bird went on. Now he came to a cow. See, there's the cow. That's the bird, the baby bird, and he comes upon a cow. "Are you my mother?" he said to the cow. "How could I be your mother?" said the cow. "I am a cow." The kitten and the hen were not his mother. The dog and the cow were not his mother. Did he have a mother? That's him wondering right there if he has a mother. There he is. "I did have a mother," said the baby bird. "I know I did. I have to find her. I will. I will." Now the baby bird did not walk, he ran. Then he saw a car. Could that old thing be my mother? No, it could not be. The baby bird did not stop. He ran on and on. Now he looked way down. He saw a boat. There she is, said the baby bird. He called to the boat, but the boat did not stop. The boat went on. He looked way up, and he saw a big plane. Here I am, mother, he called out, but the plane did not stop. The plane went on. Just then, the baby bird saw a big thing. This must be his mother. There she is, he said. There is my mother. He ran right up to it. Mother, mother, here I am, mother, he said to the big thing. See there? See that picture of him talking to the big thing? But the big thing just said, snort. Oh, you are not my mother, said the baby bird. You are a snort. I have to get out of here. See the big thing, the big machine snorting? But the baby bird could not get away. The snort went up. It went up, way up and up and went the baby bird with it. But now, where was the snort going? Oh, what is the snort going to do to me? Get me out of here. Just then, the snort came to a stop. See there? See that picture of the snort and the bird on the top of the snort? Okay. Where am I, said the baby bird. I want to go home. I want my mother. Then something happened. The snort put that baby bird right back in the tree. The baby bird was home. See? He was back in his nest again. Just then, the mother bird came back to the tree. Do you know who I am? She said to her baby. See? See the picture of the mother with the worm in her mouth and the baby? See? See? Yes, I know who you are, said the baby bird. You are not a kitten. You are not a hen. You are not a dog. You are not a cow. You are not a boat or a plane or a snort. You are a bird and you are my mother. See? And they hug each other in the nest and cuddle. See there? That's the nest and that's them in it. In that beautiful tree. Yep. And that's the end of Are You My Mother by P.D. Eastman. If you want to get this book, I got it from Walmart for $10. I hope you pick it up and enjoy it. Are You My Mother by P.D. Eastman. Bye everyone. Have a great day.